Hi folks, I'm Ferlin Wolf with Carolina Cool. We started many years ago with very humble beginnings. No, this is actually where we started way back in 1985. The previous owner bought this 4,000 square foot location. In 1999, my wife and I moved our family from Portland, Oregon to Little Old Surfside Beach, and we bought the business. We had 8 employees and 3 or 4 junker trucks. But the name and the logo was good, and the reputation was intact. Now the old place looks like this, and serves as our warehouse. In 2006, we bought this building, kept some of the tenants, and expanded our warehouse and offices. 4 years ago, I kicked out our tenants and moved our entire office area to the far south side. We gutted the building front to back and made a Google-esque type of floor plan with no offices, wide open floor plan, and high-tech connected operation. Let's take a tour. We'll do it while it's quiet. As we walk in the front door, you'll see our metal Cool Cat that was commissioned to a local metal artist. It turned out well. In 2008, we started doing electrical too, and that is when we switched our name from Carolina Cooling and Plumbing to just Carolina Cool. About the same time, we had a company softball team and started calling ourselves the Cool Cats. A year later, I found this image, changed it, and made it ours. Our Cool Cat now is part of our logo and every advertising and marketing that we do. He brands us well. We have room for 4 CSRs to sit up here, and as you can see, we have a pleasing entry. And if needed, customers can shell out to the adjoining conference room. It is set up with a complete AV for demonstrations or training, and of course, with COVID, it gets used a lot for Zoom meetings. Around the office, you'll see posters like this. They are playbill ads that we did in support of our local high school drama departments and decided to put them on the walls. We keep our advertising fun and effective, and of course, supporting our local schools is a great outreach. As we round the corner, you will see more seats for CSRs. During normal business hours, it is our policy to answer every phone call coming in. As I pan out across the room, you will see the layout that is very conducive to work and communication. The roof is spray foamed, all the lights are LED, and the HVAC is an 8-ton carrier VRF system with 6 cassettes and 5 little air handlers. And the old warehouse concrete floor is covered with durable LVT, no floor mats, highly efficient and clean. Over in this area, we have the billing and accounting department. The high quads back there are where our field managers reside. Our general and sales managers sit here, kind of in the middle, and as I come around the side, we have all the workstations for the sales department. We'll take a little tour to show off our large conference room, again set up with full AV for training. And just for a second here, we'll show off our Wall of Fame. Best of the Beach for many years running, Reader's Choice Award, various dealers awards, sponsorships, and on and on. Moving along again, I come to our dispatching area. Our installation manager sits here, and then the tech room strategically located across from our dispatchers. Here they can come in, access the computer, get uniforms, attain tools and parts at this window, and ready themselves as needed. And finally out back, the drive circles the building so our flow is always in one direction. Field team members can stop here to load heavier tools and parts, and of course most installers stage at our old building, which is now our warehouse, for loading in the morning. They are out at 7:30, allowing room for everyone else to be gone by 8. South of our facility is fenced-in parking. Here we keep our big jetter and lift, stage old equipment for recycling, and make room for parking. We are soon going to have a fully automatic gate, so the days of opening the padlock and gaining entry or exit will go away. Okay, we're in full swing now, as full swing as wintertime gets. Let's run through and do a quick tour this time. CSRs are fielding calls, billing and accounting is churning away, processing over 135 separate jobs every day. Sales has a few hanging around, but of course we don't want them hanging around much. And dispatch is in full swing, processing new work orders, scheduling PMs, routing techs, and adjusting schedules as needed. And this morning we'll swing through the parking lot and see who is perky and ready. Guys are loading trucks and service techs are getting ready for the day. Here are some of our Kung Fu plumbers, and this Friday morning and a few more than normal are here because it's fire extinguisher day. Every 6 months we get them tested and back on the trucks, along with making sure the first aid kits are ready too. All in all, Carolina Cool is built on 3 basic principles: have fun, be involved in the community, and do good work. That doesn't sound like an unusual thing, but when you really add them up, growth becomes natural. That's about it, folks. And with every message I put out to our community, it ends with heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, and solar too. Get comfortable. Get Carolina Cool. Now that's cool.